Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mihlali. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So you guys, Mihlali was defended by a tweet after she responded to Mr. Kaula, who dragged her mom and stepfather to fault from calling Mihlali's mother a hoe and her stepfather a funky nigger. Tubes defended her, standing up to Mr. Kaula finally. However, one Tube stepped up and accused Mihlali of acting like a skunpampir, reading her to fault by revealing unverified information about her mother and Mihlali. So this is what the tweet wrote and alleged. Mihlali was picked up from school in Mercedes-Benz by her former sugar stepdaddy, Sipho Zikali, who was married to Nozipho Msweli. Some of her mom's boyfriends were also picking her at school. She mustn't lie, la. She has been selling since high school and that's okay. At the end of the day, it's her coochie. And also, Mihlali's mother has been dating different Nigerian men. Yo, you guys, now, I do not have anything to say, but please do share your thoughts down in the comments section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you in the next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.